Good afternoon. We are here at the Sycamore Steam Show, also known as the Threshing Bee. We just parked. As you can see, we have to park in a field, and we are walking. They do have transportation. They have wagons pulled by tractors, but it wasn't that far and the wagons were kind of full, so we're like, you know, we'll just get our exercise. Also, the website does not have pricing. I'll link the website down below, but the website does not have pricing, so be advised that children 12 and under, I believe it is, are free, and anyone over is $7 admission.
There's a little one.
Yeah.
Little kid.
Yeah, there's a little one for the little kids. Should be a lot of fun.
Mommy, can we get a mirror for space?
Ooh, a barn. What's in the barn? A bake sale. Oh, let's check it out. Cool. Chocolate pudding. Mr. Destructive. Look, chocolate pudding cake.
I don't know any of the friends you're naming.
I'm just saying there's a white elephant sale. It's cool. Look at all this cool stuff. It's so huge. Oh my gosh. Yeah? We are next to the big wheel. Wow, that is a big wheel. That's way bigger than Ollie. That's bigger than Mommy. And Daddy. Yeah, that's that big. My gosh.
There's fire in
Oh. That's pretty cool looking.
I saw a butterfly that had red
Oh yeah?
and then black and like that. And the tips.
Uh-huh.
Look at all that water.
I saw it.
Wow.
You're right.
Let's get it in.
Is Uncle Phil's weather rock. If the rock is wet, is moving, has a shadow, has no shadow. So you can tell the weather. I wouldn't push it, Buns. This is the John Mulch building. Let's see what's in here. I heard some music. Look at these. Don't touch. It says don't touch, but you can look.
Don't touch Allie.
Who knows? I just told him. Look at that detail, though. I'll show you in a second, Buns. There's an organist. That's an organ, Buns. We got the books. Uh-huh.
There's lots.
This is the granary.
Or they drive around twice.
And this is the blacksmith shop. Oh, it's got a doggy.
Look in here.
A little calendar. I love it.
Look in here.
Oh, and a schoolhouse. Look, Allie. Yeah, there's a little girl learning her math.
I actually went in a place like that when I went to that place for my field trip.
Mm-hmm.
The historical place.
Hoosier Grove School. And then the carriage house. Buggy shed / corn crib.
It's a hill.
Uh-huh. On the front of the church with the faithful doggy waiting outside. Muscle buns.
Okay.
Muscle.
Okay, you can do it now. You gotta pull hard. You gotta be strong. There you go.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah, there you go. You're doing it. Good job, sweetie.
Doing a good job.
They're hard workers.
Hey, Rock! Stop it!
Oh, wow. That is amazing.
Dried or fresh?
Before you know, this is called the broken wine glass.
It's so tiny. No, you don't try it. You just look. It's cool though, isn't it?
Why is it so small?
I do not know. Maybe it's a model. That's cool though. So it's this thing, which we are right next to.
No.
Oh, hi, Les. You're here too.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, there's a wedding going on in here. It's food laid out and everything.
Some days. Oh, so they do have more of that. Yeah.
Okay, Allie, we're working our way around.
Look at all those pigs.
Chickens.
Don't touch.
All this detail I'm loving. Hey, doggy.
What? A raccoon.
Well, there is a raccoon. What's he doing in there? That rascal.
You can't touch the glass.
Mm-hmm.
Look, there's a dog.
Uh-huh, another doggy. Well, you gotta have a doggy on a farm,
Why
if
there's,
not a few.
why there's bananas?
Well, what if you're working on the farm and you want a banana? There's little girls playing seesaw in that barn. It's a horsey trough.
There's no
I feel like there's
water.
actually.
Lizzie said there's actually water. She's right. Actually works.
Why there's a target?
I don't know. It's just how they did it.
I see it. Bill.
Mm-hmm.
Side of the barn on the other side.
It won't tally because it can't.
I want to scoop Bill.
Look, Allie, there's a fire truck.
Hey girls, look at this big one right here.
This is right here. Hi.
Yeah, that's a lot of hay, huh?
Bad boy. What?
Yeah, look, they're cutting the logs.
And the wires.
What? Ollie, stop. You stop.
Come on.
Look, I saw a train.
He made all the couples. He made all the couples. Yeah. He started all those
Oh, I am. Oh, pie and everything. More food. The brooder house for the chickies. And the outhouse. You can't do without that. Apples and everything.
That's scary, Mommy.
It's just a mannequin, Buns. Oh, wow, Civil Warrior flag.
Look down here.
Oh, yeah. All sorts of hair doing stuff. Hat pins and. Wow. A head scratcher. Huh.
Look.
Well, it doesn't look like my grandma's attic, but it certainly is amazing.
I like the little table.
Me too.
There's some.
Look at that, bud. Oh, how
There's
sweet.
bugs on it.
Yeah, bugs get on cows. They'll swish them away with their tails. You can touch the sheep. gentle.
I did.
Yeah. Okay.
Want to give her back?
Give him back.
Yeah.
I got you. Wow. You can hold it.
Wow. Busy. So many of them. Oh, no, I don't think that's a lab bundle. I think they're just showing them off. Like your walking taco, sweetie? How about you, Elias? Is it everything you ever dreamed?
I don't know.
Cool. Oh, he's almost done with his corn dog. That must have been good, huh? Yeah, all right. We'll do some maintenance. Pretty soon. Ha ha ha. You couldn't resist the siren call of the hay.
I was just telling us if we were leaving, so.
We're not.
Oh, we are.
No, we're not.
You said.
They've got a few minutes to play, remember?
I know. But that's Sycamore. A few minutes is like 5.
Oh, hey, Elias. Huh?
20.
Huh? Huh? Is that good, Buns?
I got bubblegum snow cone.
Yeah, you did. And now we are heading back to the car. It has been a fun day, filled with local history and local farming history and all that type of thing. We had a fun time. It's a bit hot, and that's why we've got a rainbow snow cone to share. So now we're just trying to find our car because we didn't keep track of where it was. But it's out here somewhere, and we will find it eventually and get home eventually. This pretty much closes out our summer, and we will be back intermittently off and on, but school's gonna start soon, so we won't be going out and about quite as much. So we will see you next time, whenever that is, and until then, appreciate your local history. Bye!
Snow cone.
And eat snow cones. Bye!